Former presidential aspirant under the People's Democratic Party (PDP), Dele Momodu, has advised President Bola Ahmed Tinubu not to place blind trust in defecting politicians, urging him instead to uphold the core values of democracy and allow political freedom to flourish in Nigeria. Momodu made the statement on Wednesday during an appearance on Channels Television's Politics Today program, where he addressed the wave of defections from the People's Democratic Party to the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), most notably in Delta State. Momodu's comment followed the defection of the Delta State Governor, Sheriff Oberewori, his deputy, Monday Onyeme, and former Governor Ifeanyi Okowa to the All Progressive Congress (APC), along with commissioners and key PDP stakeholders in the state on Wednesday. Reacting to the political alignment, the 64-year-old said,
"Well, I'm a very good student of Nigeria's political history, so nothing can surprise me about our politicians. The history of Nigerian politics is replete with stories of defections. When you talk about our leader, Okowa, joining APC, I'm not surprised. He's been under serious harassment in recent time. And don't forget that in 1993, one of the first people to dump Chief Moshood Abiola was Baba Gana Kingibe, who was his running mate. So it's nothing new. What will surprise me is if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu believes that people are joining APC because they love him or because he's doing so fantastically well.
Issuing a direct message to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Momodu said his advice to Asiwaju is that he should not trust these politicians.
My advice to Asiwaju is that he should not trust these politicians. Right now, everybody can see that he is determined to have a second term, but God gave him the first time, not through coercion. So I don't know why he now believes that we get second term only via coercion.
The PDP stalwart cautioned the president against wavering away from democratic values. He believes the trend is more of a reflection of political survival than genuine allegiance. Momodu further alleged that most politicians have at one time or another faced intimidation or investigation from anti-corruption bodies. This isn't the first time the journalist has openly criticized President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's governance style, particularly on matters concerning democratic principles and political freedom. What's your opinion regarding Dele Momodu's statement? Drop it in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.